Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there currently this morning. Some really nice weather across the peninsula for today, extending through the end of the work week. Going to see some warmer conditions across the area today. Temperatures in the upper 80s inland and some mid 80s along the coastal sections. But we're going to see no chance of precipitation or lightning across the region today. High pressure in control, so some really good conditions. Freezing level this morning on our sounding was at 11,600 feet. Winds are light throughout the column this morning. The west and northwest at 1,000 and 3,000 feet, anywhere from about 15 to 10 knots. Then seeing our winds only increase to 26 knots out of the north at 25,000 feet this morning. Our surface analysis, currently we see high pressure in control. We're going to have another area high pressure build over New England tomorrow. That's going to push a backdoor cold front through our region for tomorrow morning. That's going to give us slightly cooler conditions for tomorrow, especially in comparison to today, but more seasonable for this time of year. This area high pressure is going to be kind of remaining over the area for the next several days and giving us dry conditions in general. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have clear skies across the region, just a little bit of fog across the Appalachian Mountains, as well as some upper level cirrus across that area to our south and to our west. But overall, really nice conditions out there this morning with those clear skies. Taking a look at the camera as well this morning, you can see clear skies across the area. Looking at the bay, the tides are running about normal for this time of year. Looking at our European model for the next few days, high pressure in control for today. Moving in tomorrow, that high pressure will build across New England, pushing that backdoor cold front and onshore flow for tomorrow, giving us cooler conditions. And then for Friday, looks like we'll have high pressure kind of moving off the coast, modifying the atmosphere a bit and giving us temperatures in the mid 70s. And then for Saturday, it looks like we'll have a upper level disturbance moving through the region that's going to give us a bit more cloud cover, as well as some more westerly component to our winds that should allow for us to warm up a bit more on Saturday. And then into Sunday, it looks like we'll have a warm day across the region before another cold front moves to the region from the north. That's going to give us temperatures in the upper 80s for Sunday, so it'll be a warm one to end the weekend. And then for Monday, we'll see that backdoor cold front move through and south of the region. That's going to give us much cooler conditions for Monday, slightly below average. And then for Tuesday, it looks like we'll have a possibility of an upper level disturbance moving through along that boundary that moved through on Monday, returning back north on Tuesday, and possibly giving us some showers. But we'll keep an eye on that one as it being about 7 days out. Our high today will be around 84 degrees, a low tonight of 59. Winds in general will be light today. The west this morning turning more southwesterly this afternoon at 7 to 12 knots. Light winds overnight. In general, out of the northwest to north, 3 to 8 knots. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll start to see that north-northeasterly component or more of an onshore flow at 3 to 8 knots and then turning more northeasterly for the afternoon hours. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions today. Clear skies this morning, a bit of fairly cumulus clouds along the spine of the Delmarva for this afternoon at 6,000 feet. Then we'll see some broken cirrus by tomorrow morning with some filtered sunshine. Our tides are currently running normal, as I mentioned, and Thursday and Friday. Thursday, partly and cloudy with slightly breezy onshore flow, a morning high of 74, temperatures falling to near 70 during the afternoon. We'll see a green chart on Thursday, and Thursday night, partly cloudy and seasonable, low of 54. And then for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy with onshore flow, a high of 74 degrees. So look at the next 7 days, really some dry weather across the region. Soil has really dried out across the area, so seeing continued dry conditions for the next 7 days. It looks like only a slight chance of some rainfall on Saturday afternoon at 15%. Most likely won't occur. And then for Tuesday of next week, a 30% chance of some showers. I mentioned being this far out could definitely change with that timing of that upper level disturbance moving through the region. Looking at our temperatures, going to be 84 degrees today, 74 for Thursday and Friday, 79 on Saturday, 87, so a warm day on Sunday, and then much cooler on Monday in the upper 60s. Then Tuesday, temperatures should moderate some into the lower 70s. Looking at our overnight lows, going to see fairly comfortable overnight lows in the 50s for through Friday morning into Saturday morning, and then finally by Sunday morning, going to see more of an unusual or unseasonably warm morning at 68 degrees before that warm day on Sunday, and then seeing temperatures return more towards normal for Monday morning and Tuesday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.